Hi everybody, today we're going to go through how to create a new invoice in Xero. So we can either go up here to the business tab and click on invoices and then new invoice, or we can go to our create new shortcut, which looks like the little plus symbol, click on that and then invoice. From here in the to column, we want to start typing in our customer's name. You could also put in their reference number if you want. Select them, select the date this invoice will be issued, and then select a due date, which you can do manually. Or another option is you can put in plus and the amount of days this will be due. So say this is due in a week, we'll put plus 7 days, hit enter, and Xero will work that out for us. You can put in a reference if you wish, which might be the customer reference. It might be in reference to a special project you're working on. And then you want to start putting in the item that you're selling. So you'd select the item and make sure the quantity and unit price is correct. If you did not have your item loaded into Xero yet, you can otherwise just enter a description straight off the top. I might go, it's a red t-shirt, which hasn't been loaded into my Xero profile yet. It's going to be 2 of them and the unit price is 40. Make sure the account and tax rate is correct so Xero can calculate that. And then make sure you've got whether this invoice is tax exclusive or inclusive. So we're going to say it's exclusive for this one. You can then preview your invoice. You can save it as a draft or you can approve it. Now, once an invoice is approved, we can email it straight to the client from here. So we can click email. It will pull up their contact information and we can hit send and it will mark that invoice as sent. Otherwise, if you've noticed you've made a mistake, you'd go to invoice options and you can edit it from here. But essentially that's it. That's how to create a new invoice. Thanks for watching this video.